Oh mate, have a close up, shall we? He is. Bless him. Hey, on the little seat by me, aren't you? Don't think the message is getting through that I didn't bring any food. I'm so sorry. I know. I didn't bring any. There's a car coming, but you're all right. We know about the cars. Stay there, you're all right. Come on. 4x4 that one. Yeah. I'll see you next time, mate, yeah? I will bring some food for you. Try and get some of those mealworms. Oh, gone down on the floor now. No. Gonna go? I'm gonna get off in a minute. Oh, where's he gone? He's on the floor. Right down there, look. Go on then. Go and fly away. See you next time.